No heating. Reason 1. Tank temperature sensor not fully seated. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the temperature sensor cover for inspection. Put on gloves and pull out the tank temperature sensor. Then, reinsert it, ensuring it is fully seated. Then, replace the tank temperature sensor cover and tighten it with a Phillips screwdriver. Reason 2. Tank temperature sensor is faulty. First, check and record the real-time water temperature displayed on the heat pump controller. First, set the multimeter to the ohm resistance range. Next, open the electrical box and locate the T4 port on the main control board. Place the two probes of the multimeter on the T4 port. Observe the reading on the multimeter. As shown in the video, 2.893 K is the normal value. Refer to the resistance to temperature chart to verify the sensor reading. If the measured resistance does not match the expected temperature, replace the tank temperature sensor.